So if you're getting divorced and you're speaking to your partner about what the next steps are going to be, my advice would be to gather together all your financial documents, to include your mortgage statements, bank statements, valuation of your property, your pay slips, etc., just so you've got a bit of a spreadsheet as to what your assets are. And then have a chat with your solicitor about what the next steps will be, whether that be referring you to mediation with a view to trying to reach an amicable agreement outside of court. And the mediator will want to know exactly what all your assets are, so it's important you've done your homework and gathered together all your financial documents before that appointment. If you have a pension, I'd advise you to hang fire on applying for your decree absolute until such time as the finances have been resolved and a consent order has been made at the court. The reason being is if you apply for your decree absolute, your marriage is therefore dissolved and you're no longer spouses, so you wouldn't benefit from your partner's pension should he or she die before the financial matters are resolved. If you're not happy with the proposal that your partner makes in terms of a financial split, you have three options. So if mediation's already failed, you can consider arbitration, which is where you pay for an arbitrator to determine what the appropriate settlement should be. You can consider your solicitor continuing negotiating in hope that you'll be able to reach an agreement on a voluntary basis but through solicitors, or alternatively you could make an application to the court for a financial order where a court timetable is put in place for you both to file your financial documents and to ask for the input of the court and guidance from the court in terms of what's an appropriate and fair financial settlement. You need to consider the advantages and disadvantages of all three options and make an informed decision. I will advise you as to what the benefits are of each of those options, and then you can make that informed decision. A financial order will give you security and clarity, and also possibly a clean break, depending what the terms of the order are. So the order will provide perhaps for a transfer of a property or a sale of a property, but also spousal maintenance or maintenance for the children, so you'll have that security. So it will effectively give you some clarity and hopefully a clean break, depending on what your circumstances are.